Hi everyone, and welcome to the new series where I'll be building the Tau army. Today I'm assembling the models using Blu Tack so that they're just loosely posed and held together. What I'm doing here is going through after removing the legs from the sprue and taking out any of the additional plastic that's remaining that was part of the sprue. As I get onto the later pieces, I'll also be removing any mold lines, such as from the weapons, because it's most obvious on those. And that will just clean up the miniatures so that it presents and is easier to paint much better. Going forward with modifying these miniatures, I'll be removing the feet from around the second joint because they've got alien hooves. There's also got 3-fingered hands, and so I'll be adding the 4th finger and then adding freshly sculpted heads for most of them. I may use some of the original helmeted heads because the faces are concealed. Well, that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.